This video has been set up to focus attention on a very real but forgotten conflict. A conflict that resulted in a raging war on the frontiers of northeast India and Myanmar, between the Naga peoples, India and Myanmar. Landlocked and inaccessible to outsiders, because of India's travel restrictions, Nagalim, homeland of the Nagas, has been practically isolated from the outside world. This being the main reason why the international community knows little about a war that has taken the lives of approximately 200,000 peoples. The Nagas declared independence in 1947, one day ahead of the Union of India. The United Nations received this declaration and acknowledged the receipt of this communication, but until today the Declaration of Independence has not been recognized. After years of talks and negotiations in 1954, India invaded Nagalim and the conflict began in earnest. Much happened afterwards, but in 1997 the governments of India and Nagalim announced a ceasefire and peace talks followed. The talks are held outside India. Among other host countries, tacitly the Netherlands has been a venue a number of times. More than 10 years have passed but progress has yet to be made. Worse, the two sides are still struggling on agreeing about the area covered by the ceasefire. While the struggling is going on, repression continues. Villages are torched and civilians get killed. To support the peace process, Bloodcaster.com, under the theme, Black for a Cause, launches a publicity campaign. Bloodcaster.com wants to make it known that the human suffering in the Nagalim and the rest of northeast India should stop. In the interest of human rights and specifically the right to self-determination, Bloodcaster.com stands by the oppressed Naga peoples. We welcome bloggers to join hands as an ambassador and write posts about the oppressed Naga peoples. The Naga peoples truly needs your support. This is the virtual voice of Puanthanh Gangmei, signing off.